So Teresa, I find that there are 3 mistakes that people often make when attaching their toppers. One is wearing it far too low.
Right.
Not a good look. The second one is not having enough hair just in front of it to camouflage where the topper is added. And then the other is for comfort and for grip. You want to take, and we'll show with your hair, you want to lightly tease where you're going to add the clips and or use a hairspray, or one of the things that we like to use is a texture spray or texture powder. Putting a little bit of powder just where you're going to attach the clips is really going to give you some holding and some stay. So now Teresa has parted her hair on the side that she likes to wear it, and we'll go just behind your hairline and lightly tease and back comb just to hold the clips. And the side clips are just behind the recedes. We put them a little bit further back because most people have very fine hair here, so you have a little bit more hold back here. Put just a little bit of texture powder where you've teased your hair. This is really going to give you some grip. You'll be surprised how much grip this gives you. Any texture powder will work, or a hairspray.
See, this is the parted in the middle. I'm still going to place it here. I'm going to do this over here, and in the back. I'm going to comb it forward.
Always holding on to the piece in the crown and combing forward where you want to part the hair.
So I'm going to do it at an angle.
From the center to your parting leaves you all this great volume on each side, so the hair looks voluminous on each side, not just on one. You can also achieve this by adding water or rough drying with the blow dryer. One of the other things that we love to do is to take a hairspray, and you can take I like to use an edge brush, but you can also just use a regular toothbrush. You want to take a little bit of your favorite hairspray, spray it just onto the brush, and all around your hairline, you want to incorporate your own natural hair up into the topper. This is going to make it look absolutely flawless and undetectable. And this is how you create that volume. So now by brushing Teresa's hair up into the hairpiece, it is undetectable, but this makes it look very natural, parted off of the face, and look at how beautiful that is. I mean, T, that's a hairdo.
Ooh, it's a hairdo, not a hairdo.
If the root of your topper, you feel like it doesn't blend perfectly, one of the things that I like to do is take a neutral eyeshadow. I always say something that matches your eyebrows. Take a little bit of the eyeshadow, just on your finger, tilt down slightly, and just in the hairline, go from the topper to your hair. That is going to make your hair look thicker, more dense, but then continue that all the way through, and that gives you a really natural, full look in your hairline. What do you think?
I love it.
It looks good.
I love it.
So there are a lot of other things that we love to do. So if you're just getting your topper and you're new to wearing toppers, here are some of the things that I recommend doing. When you first put it on, maybe tuck it behind your ears and try it with a headband. And that's going to help hold it in place. It's going to help you feel a bit more secure, a bit more confident. Also, it's a really, really great look. Another thing that you could do is take a bobby pin or a hair accessory, and on the side that you've parted it to, or on either side when it's down the middle, is to put a bobby pin in to hold it in place. Really nice, Teresa.
Not bad, huh?
Another thing that we like to do, I know that we say don't brush them. Teresa and I love to brush them, and we love to comb them.
Yes, we do.
So if you want to take, I feel when we package them and send them to you, they have a bit of a spray on them to hold the shape and hold the texture and keep it protected. So if you brush it out with a little bit of hairspray, it's going to dull some of that shine down. If you want to add more shine to it, then you can use a shine spray. When people take them out of the package and they just put them on, it doesn't look great because it needs a little bit of finesse. So once you treat it like your own hair and incorporated it into your own style, the styles and possibilities are limitless.